Okay, let me explain a programming concept that is valid for other programming languages as well. If I assign the value of 1 to a variable z, my output after executing z will be 1. After that, if I assign 3 to the same variable z will be equal to 3, not 1 anymore. How come? Well, the order of the commands matters. Initially, we said z will be equal to 1, and that was true, until we changed the value to 3. For the computer, from that moment on, z is not equal to 1, and it will continue to be 3. As proof, see this. If we add 5 to z, we will get 8. Not 1 plus 5, which is equal to 6. Then, if we suddenly decide z is equal to 7, z will not be equal to 1 or 3 anymore. Python reassigns values to its objects. Therefore, remember the last command is valid, and older commands are overwritten. Thanks for watching.